can see the phone. He's turning it, playing some music. He's typing on the phone with his left thumb. It's definitely a phone. I can see the buttons on the side. I can see the shiny screen. Swiping up. You're not as fast as the camera.
What do you mean?
Why do you think my camera was filming you?
What? Because I'm on the phone?
Yeah, you're on the phone.
Alright, I'm in traffic then.
Can't do that though. Nice car. CB04SHA. Even if it isn't a nice car, I'll try and it's just even slightly nice, I'll say it's a nice car. Because people invest so much of their egos in the car and their self-worth. That's a red light. Completely ignored.